Few objects look ordinary at first, but inside, every millimeter tells a story of precise engineering.
Outer shell, the main structure. It protects and houses all internal components safely. Designed to illustrate the fragmentation concept visually coarse, educational only. Safety lever, also called the spoon. It conceptually keeps internal mechanisms secure. Safety pin. A passive safeguard preventing unintended movement. Fuse assembly. A sealed internal module, shown for conceptual understanding only. Striker, positioned inside the fuse, conceptually highlighted for education.
Internal spring placement is critical in understanding internal structure, not function. Detonator housing. Isolated and inert, for structural visualization only.
Main chamber. Shows internal space allocation safely, educational only. Fragmentation concept. Explained visually for understanding, no real effect shown. Top assembly. Multiple components aligned structurally, educational view only. Internal layout, revealing how each part fits together safely. Material design, chosen for durability and structural clarity. Safety redundancy, layered safeguards for conceptual understanding.
Cross-section view, exposing internal symmetry and structure.
Exploded view. Each component separated for clear understanding.
Design evolution, showing how engineering concepts evolved over time.
Engineering summary. Compact design, layered safety, and structural precision highlighted. This video is a non-functional educational visualization. It does not demonstrate usage or provide instructions.